In 2018, it was my honor to join the National Alliance as a new candidate under the leadership of Prime Minister Sylvia Jacob. It was my honor to join a party whose track records on education, social protections, and labor I found paramount to the future development of St. Maarten. It was my honor to be a part of the party of the late great Vance James Jr. and Edgar Lynch, the party on which my father also served this country with honor. I acknowledge that it has been an extremely difficult year for this government, trying to govern during an unprecedented pandemic and while under extreme political pressure. Over the last year, however, I have come to the realization that the party's general direction and approaches to public sector management, citizen engagement, and policy making often conflict with my core values. I have proudly served my country as a civil servant for the last 10 years, Madam Chair. I went abroad, like our students do annually, to receive an education and come back to work at government to serve this country. Ethical decision-making, transparency, and good governance are principles that I have always lived and served by. It is the bare minimum that the people of St. Maarten deserve, especially in these challenging times. And so, after much thought and reflection, I hereby resign as a member of the National Alliance Party. I would like to sincerely thank the NA, the Prime Minister, the board, the members who supported me for an opportunity. I thank the faction as well. I will always have a love and appreciation for the people that built this party, that the people that supported this party. It was the party that I grew up supporting. It was a party that I wanted to be a part of. But things have changed, Madam Chair, and so am I. And I look now to serve my country as an independent member of Parliament with integrity, respect, and honor.